Afternoon and welcome to Joburgtv News. I am Tebacho Mate with your top stories. COPE gears up for 2019 elections. #PleaseCallMe movement still on for Vodacom protest. AA sees slight increase in petrol price for February. The Congress of the People is gearing up for the 2019 election and held a media briefing in Johannesburg today to announce their manifesto launch. Our reporter Precious Mola reports.
Congress of the People says they have identified few issues that needs to be dealt with as part of the party's 2019 general election manifesto. COPE leader Musiwa Ligota was speaking today at the party's media briefing held at Catholic Church Conference in Braamfontein.
We are under no illusion that the Congress of the People can defeat this collaborating group of organizations. And the people of South Africa must understand that as well. It is therefore important. Political power is not in our hands. Political power is not in the hands of this conglomeration. Political power is in the hands of the masses of our people, in their churches, in their civics, in their townships, in the trade unions, and so on. They, the people, they must decide whether they want to continue to be governed by this group of people who have no interest of the people at heart.
The party will draw up their manifesto at a Congress National Committee to be held in March this year. Meanwhile, Ligota says they have made a call for COPE members to declare their interest in serving in the party's leadership. I'm Precious Mola, Joburgtv News, Braamfontein.
The #PleaseCallMe movement says that it will not back down on its decision to shut down the Vodacom head office in Midrand tomorrow. The group has rallied behind Nkosana Makate, who invented the Please Call Me service when he worked for the company 18 years ago. Vodacom gave the group until midday today to call off its demonstration, but the movement insists they want Vodacom to pay Makate out for his invention. Mudise Setoaba of the movement said that he received a lawyer's letter from Vodacom to call off Thursday's shutdown or face legal action. Setoaba says that the shutdown of the Midrand office will begin at 10 a.m. if Makate doesn't receive his payout. The Automobile Association announced yesterday that it has predicted a slight increase in petrol. Meanwhile, the price of diesel is set to go down. This is according to the unaudited month-end fuel price data released by the Central Energy Fund. The AA said international oil prices have reached a slight higher plateau after climbing in the first half of January. According to AA, petrol's price is set to increase by 8 cents a litre. And now for your traffic and weather updates.
In your traffic updates, starting off in Midrand on the N1 northbound, there's an accident causing heavy delays between Baklu Interchange and Allendale Road. 2 lanes have been blocked. In Sandton on Grayson Drive, there's queuing traffic towards Rivonia Road due to roadworks. Please be patient. And if you're traveling from Johannesburg to Pretoria, there's an accident on R12 southbound Nelmapias Drive. Please use other alternative routes. And in your weather updates, currently it's 24 degrees Celsius in central Johannesburg and mostly sunny. However, temperatures are expected to drop to 17 degrees Celsius, and we should expect scattered thunderstorms in the evening. That's it from the traffic and weather desk. Goodbye.
That's all we have for you. Catch your next bulletin tomorrow morning.